Erica here with Crafts Direct, and I am excited to share with you a new set of tie-dye we have. So we have a kit called the Ice Cream Shop Kit, and it makes such beautiful, more muted color tie-dyes. I am going to share with you today how you can make these fun, adorable little heart pattern tie-dyes.
We are going to start out with a damp, pre-washed t-shirt. Put it on your table so the front is facing down on the table, and then fold it in half. Line up the sleeves really nicely, make sure there aren't any bubbles or creases in the t-shirt, and then we will draw a heart on it. So take a washable marker. I chose a really light color just to make sure it really wouldn't show through once we've tie-dyed, and then draw half of a heart on your t-shirt. I did mine freehand, but you can always print off a picture of a heart from the internet and then trace it on the t-shirt. I started mine a few inches below the neckline, and then I did it to about halfway down the shirt. Next, we are going to get it ready for tie-dyeing. So you are going to follow the line that you drew of the heart and do an accordion fold, just gathering up little pieces and follow the line of the heart. Once you get to the top of the heart where it curves, try your best to keep it so that the yellow line becomes one straight line. Once you've got the line that you drew your heart on in one straight line, take a rubber band and wrap it around the line. You might need to tighten it up and double up the elastic. Then you'll continue to smooth out the fabric so it still keeps that accordion-shaped pattern that we created, and put more elastics as you go down the shirt. You can do as many or as few as you'd like. My intention was to put a different color between each elastic. You may need to continue to straighten as you go just to keep that fun accordion look so the entire shirt has the same appearance, and then continue to place rubber bands around it. Once you've got your whole shirt wrapped up in rubber bands, then we can prep our workspace and our dyes. So make sure you have a plastic covering on your table or the surface you're going to work on. Put your gloves on at this point, and then we are going to fill each container with water up to the line that's marked on the bottle. It's basically to the top of the bottle. Then you're going to shake each container until the dye is all mixed in, and then we're ready to start applying the dye to our fabric. Pick the color scheme you want. Remember the order that you put the dye on the shirt, because we will be flipping the shirt over and applying it to the back side as well. And make sure to apply enough dye so that it's well saturated. Once you've got your shirt coated in dye the way you like it, let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. We put ours in a plastic bag, or you could wrap it in saran wrap. And then after your 6 to 8 hours are up, you'll rinse the t-shirt in water, let all the extra dye come out. You'll cut off the rubber bands at that point, and then wash it in your washing machine with hot water and a little bit of soap.
You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go over to the Projects tab.